welcome back to Hair Hacks for Girls. And today I have another hack for you. So when you get out of the shower, and so this is for me, like I don't know if it's for you, for when I get out of the shower, my hair is, like I hate when my hair just gets my back all wet. And so first thing, before I even dry my body, that's how much I hate it, I take one of these things, and I got this from Target. And it's a thing that you put in your hair after the shower. So what you do is you'll bend over, you'll gather all your hair, you'll put the side, the side with the button on it, like this. It's really hard for me right now because my hair's not wet at all. So I'll just put it over, wait, hang on, sorry, I just need to see. Okay, yeah, so you'll just put it over like this. Make sure you get all your hair in the other side of it, like I'm doing, because my hair's not wet right now. And you'll take it, and you'll twist it, and then when you get to the end, there's a thing like this, and you'll bring it over and just attach it to like the button. And then since it's twisted, it will get all like it will squeeze out most of the water. And when you take it out, and like when you want to take it out, don't take it out too late before your hair gets all dry, like I almost did this morning, because then your hair will be like all like still dry, and then when you take it out, it will be kind of hard to brush. Although you still have conditioner in, it will just be a little bit hard to brush because it was in there for so long. And so yeah, so that's just a thing that you should know. And it will squeeze out all the water since it is twisted, like I said. And yeah, so thanks for watching Hair Hacks for Girls. Make sure you stay tuned for more videos. Bye!